You're going to love the 2013 Dodge Challenger. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this sporty car combines dashing good looks with great efficiency and utility. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.